Welcome to From 9 to 5, sponsored by Ignis Stock Financials. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us: credit cards. Whether you already have one, are thinking about getting one, or just don't fully understand how they work, we're here to share the best tips to help you use them to your advantage without ending up in debt. We'll cover credit history, and how to build a good credit score. Credit cards that allow you to buy now and pay later, but it's important to remember that the bank isn't lending you free money. Every time you use your card, you're borrowing money you need to pay back with interest if you don't pay it off by the due date. So, rule 1, best to only spend what you can afford to pay back in full by the end of the month. Paying on time is critical. A late payment can not only cost you extra in fees, but also negatively affect your credit score. Setting up reminders or automatic payments can help you avoid these issues. Even a single late payment can stay on your credit report for years, so protect that score by being punctual. A key to building a strong credit score is to use only a small portion of your credit limit. This is called your credit utilization rate, and the ideal is to keep it below 30%. For example, if your card has a $10,000 limit, try not to carry a balance above $3,000. This tells banks that you're not relying too heavily on credit, which makes you a safer borrower. Cash advances might seem convenient, but they come with high fees and interest rates that start accumulating immediately. Additionally, they can hurt your credit score. If you really need cash, consider other options first. Credit cards often come with rewards like cashback or travel points. These perks are great, but only if you're using the card for things you would buy anyway. Use these benefits to your advantage, not as a reason to overspend. Tracking your spending helps you stay aware of your financial habits. Many apps and banks offer tools to help you see where your money is going. Keeping an eye on your balance throughout the month helps ensure that you don't exceed what you can pay off. Your credit score depends on factors like payment history, credit utilization, credit age, and types of credit. Being aware of these factors can help you make better financial decisions. For instance, paying on time and keeping your credit utilization low have the most impact. Having a credit card for many years and consistently paying it off can help boost your credit score over time. If possible, keep old accounts open to show that you're a reliable borrower with a long credit history. To wrap it up, credit cards can be powerful tools when used wisely. Paying on time, keeping a low balance, understanding rewards, and building a positive credit history can help you take full advantage of credit cards and improve your financial future. Thanks for watching From 9 to 5, sponsored by Ignis Stock Financials. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your money work for you.